Okay, so for 53, they're saying for triangle RST and triangle UVW, we know this information as given. I've taken the liberty of sketching out the triangles and also adding the information that we know. So this is what we know that was given to us, that angle R is congruent to angle U, side ST is congruent to side VW, and angle S is congruent to angle V. Now, this would be enough to prove congruence through angle, angle, side, but what they're saying is explain how we could prove that the triangles are congruent through angle, side, angle. And since we only have one side, this has to be the included side, which means we need the angles on either side of this, right? Well, how can we prove that angle T is congruent to angle W? We can prove it with the third angles theorem. The third angles theorem states that if you know in two triangles, you know that two angles are congruent, you know that the third angle is congruent as well. So through the third angles theorem, we can state that angle T is congruent to angle W. Hi, just one second. And by doing that, by determining that angle T is congruent to angle W, we now have angle side angle congruence. Again, you already had it through angle angle side with the information given, but they wanted you to use angle side angle, so using the third angles theorem demonstrates that these two angles are congruent and therefore angle side angle as